You might be wondering, is a fiberglass pool kit a good fit for me? Great question. Like any swimming pool, pool kits come with a set of pros and cons. For example, you'll need to spend some time organising installation. But if you are happy to save thousands on your manufacturer direct, low maintenance fiberglass pool and equipment, a pool kit might be a great fit for you. What is included when we deliver a pool kit to your front kerb? An Australian-made fiberglass pool shell with a lifetime structural warranty, plus a premium Australian-made water filter, pump, chlorinator, and handover kit. We can also include pool lights, a pool blanket, automatic cleaner, heat pump, spa jets, and more. It's as easy as click and save. Let's meet our customers. Assisted Installation Amy. Amy loves our pool kit prices, and we've put her in touch with a local licensed pool installer to manage the installation. With the thousands saved, Amy can now afford the extras. Owner Builder Owen. Experienced in managing contractors and home renovations, Owen is confident to project manage his entire installation, saving him a considerable amount of money. Professional house builder Bree. Bree regularly builds homes with pools for her customers. Bree buys and installs our pool kits, saving her customers plenty of money. If this sounds like you, we're ready when you are.